Hi guys, this is Saga from Creativity Influencer. So today I'm here to show you how to make a design and animation of fidget spinner in Fusion 360 software. So guys, this is the best thing that you can try out in the lockdown period. So let's begin. Firstly, open the software, and here ball bearing is the main thing as it is used to spin the fidget spinner. So let's bring it on the screen. Further, click on Insert menu. Click on Insert MC Master Car Component, and then here type in ball bearing. Now under the power transmission, click on ball bearing. Go down and click on the ultra corrosion resistant stainless steel ball bearing. Go down again and search for the 8 mm dia ball bearing. So here it is. Click on it. Click on product detail. Go down again. Now if it is in 3D step, click on save. Now the ball bearing is appeared on the screen. So click on OK. Click on top view. Now name the number as ball bearing. Now we need to disable the ball bearing as you need to make the sketch of fidget spinner. So I have disabled it. To make the sketch, click on create sketch. Grab the center and make a circle of 8 mm dia as the dia of ball bearing is 8 mm. Again make a circle of 22 mm dia. Again make a circle of 25 mm dia just below the circle what we have made. Now click on create. Click on circular pattern. Select the circles. Select the center point and type the quantity as 6. Then click on OK. Now guys, grab the center of the circle and bring the circles near as shown on the screen, and make sure the circles touch each other like this. Now click on trim. Remove the curves of the circle as shown. Now guys, it's time to design the weights of the fidget spinner. So here weights are used to spin the spinner faster and stay balanced. So for designing it, click on circle and make a circle of 22 mm dia. Again take circle and make a circle of dia 8 mm. Now go to the create, click on circular pattern, select the circles, select the center point and click on OK. Now guys, this is the actual sketch of fidget spinner. Now it's time to enable the ball bearing. So here the ball bearing is properly fixed inside the sketch of the fidget spinner. It's time to extrude the sketch. So click on finish sketch, press on home position. Now guys, we'll extrude the sketch from both sides, that is from top and down. So click on extrude, select the profiles, now guys, here symmetric will act as extruding the sketch from both sides, that is from top and down. So make the height as 3 mm and make it as new component and click on OK and name the component as main body. Hit enter. Now it's time to give the color to the main body. So click on modify, go to the appearance, go down. Now guys, you can give any color of your choice. So here I'm giving the blue color to the main body. So here it is. Now click on close. Now guys, we need to extrude the weights of the fidget spinner. So for doing it, click on sketches, enable sketch 1, and here the sketch 1 has enabled. So click on extrude, select the profiles and make it as symmetric and make the height as 3 mm and make it as new component. Click on OK and name the component as weights. Now guys, we need a shaft at the center, so it is used to spin the spinner. So let's design it. So the shaft will be used to spin the spinner from the center by holding the spinner from the center. So make it as symmetric and make the height as 3 mm. So it is named typed as 3 mm only. Now and make it as new component and click on OK. Now guys, the design is over, so disable the sketches and it looks better. So now it's time to give the color to the weights and the shaft. So for that, click on modify, go to the appearance, and here I'm giving the white color to the weights. So here it is. And I'm giving the gray color to the shaft. Click close. Now guys, click on the ball bearing, click on the bodies, and name the body 1 as outer ring, name the body 2 as inner ring, and name the body 3 as innermost ring. And click on modify, go to the combine, and select the body 4 as targeted body, and select the body 5 to body 13 as tool bodies. And make sure the new component is ticked and click on OK, and name the body 4 as shaft, and name the body 5 as balls. And guys, now select the outer ring, inner ring, and innermost ring, right click on them, and then click on create components from the bodies. Now guys, the design of the fidget spinner is over. Now let's head over to the animation workspace. So for that, click on the workspace field. Here it is. So click on it and go to the animation workspace. Now to make the fidget spinner to spin, select the main body, then select the weights, then select the outer ring of the ball bearing, then click on the transform components. So here the transform components will allow the selected components to spin or rotate the spinner according to the direction which will be given in the Z angle. So slide it down. So here is a Z angle. So hold the Z angle point and spin to the 350 degrees. That is minus 350 degrees. So guys, I'm not going to spin the spinner to 360 degrees as it is equal to 0. So I spin the spinner to minus 350 degrees only. So click on OK and click on the play button. So here is spinning of fidget spinner. Now if you want to increase the rotation time, you can repeat the steps like this. Select the main body, then select the weights, then select the outer ring, and click on transform components, and spin the spinner to 350 degrees, and then click on OK and click on the play button. So the timing has increased a bit. Now guys, you want to save the animation video, click on publish, and then click on the publish video, then click on OK, and then you can name it as anything of your choice. So I'm naming a spinner. Click on save. Guys, it will take a little bit of time to save. So here is publish is getting in process. So guys, thank you for watching the video. So guys, if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe the channel.